Hey, it's Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at this 2015 to present Ford F-150. We put a 6-inch rough country lift on it, some 20x12 Moto 962 wheels and a black and milled offset, and some 35 1250 R20 Fury Country Hunter RT tires and a 12 ply. We also put Rough Country's Grille on the front. However, let's talk about the lift. It's a 6-inch lift from Rough Country. It's about $1,000. It's a great bang for your buck lift. People love them. Rough Country answers the phone. Rough Country is one of the best companies for customer service. If you have any questions, call them up. They will answer immediately and they can answer any of your questions. However, we have a couple tips and tricks for you, and it's basically all on the front end of the truck. It being a 6-inch lift, you have to drop your differential. So when installing this lift, make sure that when you're reinstalling your differential, on the driver's side there's a couple bolts that you have to put in with the drop bracket. If they're not lining up, meaning if the differential is shifted to the right or the passenger side, make sure that you made that cut on your cross member properly. A lot of times you'll go to put your differential back up and you'll need to pull it back down and trim it because it was not properly cut. That's perfectly fine. Just mark the lines, cut it where it's supposed to be. Besides that, it's a relatively simple knuckle lift. The strut spacer on the top goes together like a piece of cake and everything just swaps over and transfers over. Besides that, with a 20x12 wheel, you will need to cut your crash bar, your front crash bar. Oftentimes people just chop the crash bars off. We take the crash bars, and if you take them into quarters, so you have your front half and your rear half, and then you have your left half and your right half. We just take the left rear corner and chop it off for a 20x12 wheel on this 6-inch setup. A lot of people just take them and cut them right off, but we still like to have some of that structure and some of that safety of the crash bar. Besides that, the tires and wheels, if you want more information on them, there will be a wheel matchup probably linked somewhere in this area. And the Grille, if you want more information on the Grille, look at our review of the Grille. I absolutely love the Grille because oftentimes we're trying to take our trucks with chrome grills and put color match or black grills on them, and it's just expensive. If you take it to a body shop, it's expensive. But Rough Country sells this Grille, I believe, for $140, and it goes on and it looks great. And it's a cost-effective way to get rid of that chrome grille that you have. So if you have any questions, leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want to buy these tires and wheels, or maybe a lift, or the grill, or rails, or fender flares, or headlights, or tail lights, or anything, go to our website, central-alps.com, and let us get your parts shipped out today. Also, finally, if you're looking at this truck and you're saying, Michael, I love the truck, I want that truck, I wish I could just buy it. What's great for you is that we're going to start posting our dealer inventory on our website, meaning the vehicles that we build for dealers. Let's say this truck was built for a dealer. We're going to link their listing on our website so that you could just find the perfect vehicle that you want, go to the dealer and buy it from them. So you don't have to buy the vehicle, bring it to us, have us lift it, get it back and everything. It's just already done, already over. So again, if you have any questions, leave us a comment, shoot us an email, give us a call or text. Have a great day.